And how old are you now?
I'm 80 in September.
80 this year. Wow. And you've had chiropractic all your life, haven't you?
I've had chiropractors a lot of the time.
Yeah.
Mainly with Gavin, not with anybody else.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, just in here, isn't it? Can you feel
Further
that?
up, maybe. Yeah, there.
Yeah, that's the spot.
Oh, there. Is it my hip or my spine?
Well, that's actually on the muscle alongside the hip. So there's a bunch of muscles through this area, the gluteal region, and you're quite tender right over that trigger point in here.
Yeah.
But you're also quite locked up in this joint here, through the lower back, the sacroiliac joint, and also the lower lumbars. The sacroiliac joint, as you get older, it does actually fuse. So if you're 80 this year, there won't be a lot of movement through there, next to nothing. But the lower back is where we want to maintain good motion, good movement. Getting a little twitch through there, getting the muscle to release. Okay, very good. So the needling helps with increasing blood flow to the area. It helps with getting the muscle to relax and let go, and takes out the tension out of the muscle. So really good short term at getting rid of the muscle tension and tightness, then long term with the increased blood flow and circulation to the area. Okay, we'll let them sit there for a little bit. Alright, so we'll leave them in there for a few minutes, so we'll take them out now. So the needles are so fine that they don't even draw blood. What we'll do is we'll get your lower back adjusted. Now, up on your side, facing this way for me, Colin. This leg up, straighten that bottom leg out for me. Good. And breathing in, breathing out. Nice. Good. Breathing in and breathing out. All the way. Excellent. That moved well. Did you feel that?
Of course.
Sitting up.
There's nothing wrong if I didn't.
Yeah. Breathing in, lean back and breathing out. Head back. Excellent. Oh, beautiful. That was a big one.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, as we're getting older, it's important to keep the spine mobile. You tend to stiffen up, and
Yeah.
at this age.
I lost my mojo, so.
Okay, need to get back into it then. Breathing in, come back and breathing out, and drop. Excellent, that's the one. Good, stay where you are. I'm going to just do a little gentle leg pull here. Beautiful, adjusted well. Yeah, just movement is the key, engaging the muscles.
Yeah.
Keeping moving, lifting weights.
I have got a crooked neck. I got dumped in bloody Durban in South Africa, big time.
Okay, surfing.
A few years ago, and it's never been right since.
We'll bring the head over. Yeah, there we go. And same with this one. Excellent, good. All right, excellent. All done there, Colin.
All right.
Were you surfing or just?
I was